So 3 primary ways that Tai Chi and Qigong can be used for everyday life. For everyday people like you and me and so many more people in the world. What I like to teach are simple effects or simple versions or methods of using Tai Chi and Qigong. Whether you're young, you're old, middle-aged, it really doesn't matter. A lot of these beautiful principles apply to everyday life, and I want to cover 3 of those things today. The first thing I want to cover is posture. One of the greatest parts of most martial arts, especially Tai Chi and Qigong, is posture. Because when we do standing meditation, sitting meditation, or our forms, we always talk about a dignified posture. It's much like dancing, right? Or a lot of the specialties, it doesn't matter whether it's dancing or fencing or kung fu, tai chi, qigong, judo, just in general, everyday life, number 1 would be posture, standing up in a dignified posture. And it makes a difference all throughout your life, no matter what it is you're doing. Because posture, think about it, if we have poor posture, that puts a lot of strain on our neck, our ligaments, our tendons, our back, and it also decreases our energy. Actually pinches off our energy because we're tense. Whereas if we have good posture, good upright posture, the way I like to say it is that we have a string pulling us up gently and supporting us, or putting a coat hanger through our shoulders and kind of hanging us up like this, okay? So posture is very, very important. So anytime we do any of the Tai Chi exercises or Qigong exercises, we always focus on posture. We're standing up nice and tall, our toes are slightly pointed outward. We sort of have a slight input here down at the hips here, where we're not too arched and we're not too positioned in, but we want to tuck ourselves in, tuck our butts in slightly. Our shoulders, so if you look at most people, they're standing like this with their hands facing backward. Here you see the back of my hands. That's not what we want. What we want are our shoulders back and down. So our hands aren't completely at the side. They're slightly at the front sides of our thighs, if you will, okay? But we have good posture. We're standing in an upright posture like this. And our knees are never locked, slightly bent. We have sort of a slight bounce, okay? So number 1 is going to be posture. Posture is very beneficial when it comes to Tai Chi and Qigong. Very fundamental, very basic. Our weight is distributed evenly across the middle of our body, okay? We're not leaning forward, we're not leaning back, we're positioned right here in the middle. So posture is number 1, the number 1 actually component to Tai Chi and Qigong exercises. Everything is based on posture, okay? Number 2 would be probably balance. Okay, balance is really important, which means weight shifting. And weight shifting, we talk about where we're standing, okay, stand like this, and you're weight shifting. You're going to be shifting to your right, or to your left, or in your case, to your right, or to your left. Weight shifting is important. Because once you have the foundation of balance down, okay, and posture, I should say, actually, when you have the foundation of posture down, you're standing upright. Next would be body shifting and balance. Okay, so I'm shifting and shifting. And just put your fingertips are very, very sensitive. So put your fingertips on your hips, okay, like this. And what you're going to do is stand up nice and tall. You're going to focus on breathing, always focus on breathing, nice gentle breaths. That's coming up next. And focus on shifting your weight. And feel your hip. You could do the side of your hip, you could do the front of your hip, you could do the back of your hip, or your butt if you want. But you're going to feel the weight shifting. You're going to feel your muscles at work. And just sense that. Because balance, think about it, balance is really important, especially when you're doing exercises like any of the Tai Chi exercises or Qigong exercises. You want to focus on balance across the board. If you're moving side to side, or you're doing, cloud hand exercises, we're shifting our body weight, okay? There's a lot of details to it, but the fundamentals is what I want to teach you, is you're focusing on shifting your weight. So whether you're doing anything fancy with cloud hands, Chen style or Yang style, it doesn't really matter. You're moving your hands like clouds, is we're weight shifting. We're focusing on Number 2, which is the balance, okay? Weight shifting. Balance is really, really important. So we'll do exercises like this in class where we're repulsing monkey and stepping back. Again, we're focusing on balance. And this is important because when we're doing Tai Chi stepping, we are focusing on weight shifting from one side to the other. And just feel what that feels like, shifting back and forth. Weight shifting, nice and relaxed. Nice and relaxed, okay? So weight shifting and balance would be the number 2 benefit to Tai Chi and Qigong for everyday people, okay? And the third thing would be relaxation. Relaxation, I should actually put first, but relaxation is really important with this exercise, with Tai Chi, with Qigong, just in general, everyday life. Relaxation is really important because we're always stiff. We're always in a hurry and we're stiff. We don't have good balance. We don't have good posture, right? So bad posture and bad balance and tension are 3 gnarly things that are just no good for you. So you put yourself in a nice relaxed state. You relax. You have good posture and good balance. And try this. Feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out, arms slightly raised like you're holding an energy ball. Okay, like this, you're relaxed. And if you have shoulder issues, it's too hard for you, pretend that you're carrying an energy ball, like this, okay? And you're relaxed. And what you want to do is, I'm swaying a little extra here, a little bit of a sway, is just relax. Just relax your body. Nice and gentle breathing. So you breathe in through your nose, fill every cell of your body, every cell in your soul, I should say. But you're breathing in, filling your body full of beautiful oxygen and relaxing. So you're breathing in and breathing out. So relaxation would be the third most important thing. All those 3 things together, I think, are super, super important. So relaxation, just stand up gently, relaxed, relaxing your body. Remember your posture. And just take nice, deep, slow breaths in, and when you breathe out, just let it go. And just give yourself a couple of minutes each day to practice some of this stuff, okay? That's all you have to do to start. Okay, you don't have to be a Qigong or Tai Chi expert yet. This is for everybody, practical advice, good posture, good balance, and relaxation. And with that, you'll be on your way to having a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle in general, as well as just on the tip of the road to Tai Chi and Qigong.